Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Google Gemini loading very slow and help you get it working smoothly again. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Google Gemini app. If Google Gemini is loading very slow, check your internet connection. Swipe down to access the quick settings menu, then turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data and turn it back on after a few seconds. Step 2. After that, restart your phone. To do this, press and hold the power button and volume down button together. When the menu pops up, tap on the restart option, confirm it, and your phone will restart automatically. This helps clear temporary glitches. Step 3. Next, find the Google Gemini app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap and hold the icon until a small pop-up appears. From that pop-up, tap on App Info to open the app settings. Step 4. Once you're in the app settings, scroll down until you see the storage option and tap on it. Inside, you'll see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap both to remove old files that might be slowing the app down. Step 5. Now, go back to your home screen and open the Play Store app. Tap the search bar at the top to begin your search. Step 6. Type in Google Gemini and hit search. From the results, tap on the Google Gemini app, and if you see an update button, tap it to get the latest version of the app. Step 7. If you don't see any update button, then it's best to reinstall the app. First, tap the uninstall button and confirm it. Once the app is removed, tap install to get it back. After it's installed, open it and the issue should be fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.